Hi guys, how are you? I hope everyone is good. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you LG Mini Beam Projector performance, video quality without editing, real. So guys, watch full video, don't skip. You will get all the information about this projector. And I had made about LG Mini Beam Projector unboxing video. Someone didn't understand, that's why if you want to watch that video, you can go to my description. You will get that video link in my description. So guys, without time waste, let's start the video. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, and you can comment also. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, you can see this is the LG Mini Beam Projector video quality. Actually, you can see there is some wire and switch also, because I don't have a full empty wall. That's why look, this is the real. So guys, I can't adjust it properly because my wall is very small and my room condition also very bad. Don't mind guys. So I want to show you something. So guys, this projector, you can make screen big. I don't have place, that's why I can't show you that. So guys, look, my display regulation is 800 into 600. Now I can make it big, but I don't have place in my room. If you have a place much, you can make a big screen. So I will keep it 800 to 600 my display. Now I will play some video. How much you want to make screen big, you can make, no problem. You can see audio adjustable, sleep timer, call clear voice, aspect ratio, PJT mode, picture mode, and others setting, picture, audio setting, setup with your disconnect dish, and time Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and many options is there. You can play pen drive also. The performance LG Mini Beam, real video, no editing. My room light is on now, you can watch. Now friends, I will turn off light because you will be understand properly. There is light, I turn off. I turned off light. So guys, you can make screen big how much you want. You can make big. If you have place much, you can make screen big, and you can adjust also color, brightness, everything. I think it's very nice quality. I think it's very nice quality, friends.